Hey, you're probably saying, really, dude? Another traffic ad bar review? Guys, give me the next 10 minutes. I want to show you how you truly can benefit with using the traffic ad bar system, a way where you don't necessarily have to actually surf every day. Stay tuned for this powerful training. Wait a minute. Before you go to the actual training, you need to take a look at this link that I have below. This is extremely powerful and extremely beneficial. They're 25 days out before they launch, and you need to get in, and you need to get in now. It costs you zero to take a look at it. Won't cost you nothing but 10 minutes of your time, just real small videos that show you what is going on. You will be amazed at this opportunity. You do not need to let this system pass you up in the 2023 year. Go ahead and join the link below now quickly and get going, and I'll let you know what happened in the future.
What's going on, my friends? Tonight I want to do a video, and I know I've created a lot of videos that talked about the traffic ad bar review, but this one is going to be titled Traffic Ad Bar Review News. And this is what I want to share with you, some things that you may not have been taken advantage of. What you want to do is, when you create links within the traffic ad bar system, you want to promote the traffic ad bar links so you can get your points from it. So, and I'm going to kind of walk you through what I'm doing to get these points. So what we're going to do is, I deleted one of my traffic ad bar ads that I wasn't using. And what I want to do is, I want to add one. I want to add a link, and we're going to add a link right here live. And it's a new opportunity that I've started, and I already have the link, and I'll have a link below. I think you guys need to take a look at this one. This is going to be an extremely powerful system. I joined a few hours ago, and I already got people up under me, spillover from just the way this system is actually recruiting. But tonight we're going to show you how we're going to take this system and we're going to market it through the traffic ad bar. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to go ahead and create me a link to this system. Now I have to come up with something to promote this, because this is at a launch stage, and I want to come up with something that would have caused people to attract them to click on it. So let's just say let's just take a look at it. What I'm gonna do is, I'm gonna pause the video, and I'm gonna create a nice headline, and then I'm gonna come back and let you see it. Okay, hold on for a second. Okay, I finally came up with a title. I went Nitroline Powerline, and I went grab your seat now. This Powerline pipeline system. I mean, this powerful pipeline system. So we're gonna go with that. I mean, we're just trying to do this for training purposes, and we're gonna go English and all countries. When you want it be seen. Let's go today to a year from now. Let's go a year from now. Yeah, we'll do that. And then we'll just do it like that. And we'll start out today is Saturday, and we're gonna go 2300 to we will go, let's say a Friday. Let's go Saturday to to, let's go to the next Saturday to 2300. Let's go at midnight, and we will save. So now this is the kicker here. What we're gonna do is we're gonna go ahead, and we got those sites up there, and right now I think I'm gonna make this one primary until the launch. We'll do it like that. So now let's go to the dashboard, and we're gonna look at this new site. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna take this URL right here, and we're gonna copy it. So I just want to move it over here so you can see what it looks like, and let's just place it here, and just make sure everything is working okay. Yeah, so now we see that advertise. So I only earned 3 points because, you know, I'm not a upgraded member anymore. I went ahead and downgraded, but this is what's gonna happen. You only got 3 points. That's cool. You can still do your few reviews at night and get your points. So what we're gonna do is, let's make sure I have this page set aside right here. Okay, let's see, where did I put that at? Really quick. All right, this link here I'll have below. What you guys need to do is you want to come here, and you want to join all these opportunities right here. This is a lead skimmer where you can get leads. You go through all of these, and you join. And what you want to do is, once you start joining these opportunities and you promote this link here to there, and just say you're talking about, let's say 10 people actually click on this link, and you get 30 points. So you start doing it every day, and you start to get points for your traffic each day. Because see, the more points you get, the more traffic you get to your system. So that's how you do it. I mean, I don't know how I mix this up every time. Here you want to go through this list. I have this list below, but here you can go through and you can actually get traffic. You either get traffic to your site, or you get the lead. So with this system here, if you go ahead and join this Nitroline system and build your downline, also you can add this to your traffic ad bar system, and then you can get points so it can go up the tree. So that's what I'm trying to show you. That's why I wanted to do a review. In order to get your points, you want to be able to go up the tree. So let's go up here and just take a look. We're gonna go to the dashboard really quick. Let's just click for some points real quick and show you the type of points you get. You know, now like someone here, look here, they already posting that system that I just told you about. So let's just click here, and we're gonna go through and just take a look at it, how many points that you can get. And you get the points, like say if you get these points in your email address, you get more points that way. See, you've earned 3 points, but see what I'm saying is you get those points through the email once you send that copy through. So that is really cool. So you want to pick up those points while you're doing it. All you have to do is, let me make sure I'm on that page again. I'll just look at it like that. Here we go, right here. You want to go ahead and create you a free Gmail account. You want to sign up to all of these, and you're clicking for credit. But the reason why I want you to go ahead and sign up, because once these people come in, you get credit along, then you can get a possible lead. So if you look at this system right here, this system here is geared for you to get 5 to 10 leads a day with this system. So what I'm going to be doing, I'm going to take this link right here, and I am going to market it to these pages so you can get your system built up. Now, I haven't even started to promote this system, and I want to show you, even though this is a traffic ad bar system, I am encouraging you to be a part of this system as well. This system, if you take a look at it, let's just look at it really quick. Let me move this out of the way. Here we go. Let's click right here. Well, let's close this out real quick. Sorry about that. And what we're going to do is, I just started this today, and I've had people to come within my downline, and they come in, I'm telling my guys, they come in as a force, and you need to get a part of it. But like I said, my specific was to actually show you how to gain points with the traffic ad bar system. And I've already got my URL there, and we're just rolling right along. But yeah, you can gain points with this traffic ad bar system as long as you use the actual traffic ad bar URL to get those points. So, and what I like about this system right here, this system here makes you have to look at the URL, and you gonna get a point. They got most of these sites together so you can get points to your traffic ad bar system. So I want to go ahead and cut this video short. You will extremely love this system, and then you will love this downline system too that I'm trying to show you as well, to where when this thing launch in 24 days, you already have your downline built. So if when it's time to upgrade, you're making money right off the bat. So guys, take care. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you on the inside.